Easy to comprehend and simple to implement. Welcome to the ApexAura Income Plan. At ApexAura, we provide everything you will need for you to live the best life that you want. To achieve this, we introduce and promote our very unique and excellent, world-renowned products to the people. Since 2014 up until now, tens of thousands of people have financially benefited from the excellent opportunities. Are you ready too? Let's have a look at how to make money through ApexAura. Your goals and your dreams are unique and special to you. ApexAura is the catalyst that will help you achieve them. But your health should be put first. ApexAura offers you and your family the opportunity to use the world's finest products of great quality. Because enjoying life to the fullest is difficult without good health. Secondly, ApexAura offers you a huge business opportunity. An opportunity to achieve the financial success you have dreamed of while investing your time in a manner that is convenient for you. At ApexAura, our wish is to see you inherit the best life you could have. ApexAura, the best company, the best product line, the best business opportunity. To give you the future that you desire to live. Today is the day to make the best decision of your life. ApexAura, it's your crown. Once you install the ApexAura app, you will be able to purchase your favorite ApexAura products at any time. You will also set up your own business center. This gives you the opportunity to make money by selling products as well as to set up your marketing system. In this business center, you will have two sides to create two sales groups, the left group and the right group. When you introduce the app to your friends who love ApexAura products, you can place them on the left or right side. As per your personal plan, all participants can be placed in either of the two groups. For example, you decide to place Mike and Ann in your left group, Eric, Stephen, and George in your right group. All five of them love our products as associates and are willing to be part of the business. They also get to set up the app. As they develop their business, they too place people interested in ApexAura products on their left and right side of the group. You will now see that this business structure creates teamwork and stability and brings business growth. You will need to make sure that your associates are aware not only of the benefits of the ApexAura products, but also of the points they will be receiving for the purchase of the products. You can tell them how they are able to make a significant income while being located in their own countries. We follow a scoring system that helps people in any country have a clear understanding of how they can financially benefit from this. Your team associates can introduce the ApexAura app to their friends and relatives living in other countries too. The number of points that all of them generate while selling our products will also add up to your account. Where they are located geographically will not be a barrier to the points earned. You will not have to worry about the products ordered from overseas. This is handled and coordinated by the ApexAura Operations Department. If you expect to generate a large income in the long run, you have to develop both your left and right side of the business center. For example, you will have to work with Mike and Ann to help them promote the app to increase the sales on your left side. The points generated will be counted as a total on the left-hand side. The process is the same for your right-hand side. Points are calculated on a daily basis for both sides of your business center. Some days your left side may have more points, and on some days your right side may have more points. The number of points generated daily is calculated by the ApexAura system. Every day at 12 a.m. GMT, your left and right side points are adjusted to balance. At that point, if your left side has 200 points or more and your right side has 200 points or more, 200 points will be deducted from each group. When 400 points in total are deducted, it will be credited to you as $40. This is called the dual team bonus. The points remaining on both sides are rolled back for income on the next day. Our new day starts at 1 a.m. GMT on the following day. As shown here, you start your next day with 80 points on the left side and 150 points on the right side. As you go building your business, at some point, when you have 800 points on the left and 900 points on the right, you will receive $160 as an income by matching 800 points on each side. As in our previous example, 0 points on the left side and 100 points on the right side will be rolled over for the next day. In this way, as your business grows, if you have 4,000 or more points on your left side and right side on a given day, you are able to earn a maximum of $800 per day. This is only just the beginning. The maximum you will be paid per day will depend on the rank you achieve. A consultant and an executive can earn up to $800 a day. A senior executive can earn up to $1,600 a day. An assistant manager can earn up to $2,400 a day. A manager can earn up to $3,200 a day. At the rank of a chief manager, $3,200 a day. This is what we call max out. This is a very straightforward process that you need to follow in order to get all these monetary benefits. All you need to do is complete only 200 personal points. It is all you need to create a passive income for the rest of your life and achieve financial freedom. Depending on your ability, you can increase your personal sales and increase your income.
ApexAura. It's your crown.